Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's see what's hanging. What's hanging? Hanging. What's happening? Mhm. I actually tried doing like two readings, but they didn't, like, it just wouldn't upload, okay? And the readings were, I'm even hearing like to say that it's not actually necessary to like speak that because you already know exactly what I'm talking about. And for some reason, like, I don't know, maybe it's like just not time to be spoken into reality or something like that, according to your highest will or something. Let's see what's happening. The Queen of Pentacles, okay. The Two of Swords, yeah. The Seven of Cups, and the King of Swords, the Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. Tower, the Hangman, Two of Cups. The Wheel of Fortune is still showing itself. Also seeing the Two of Wands, the Empress, Two of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, Three of Swords. What's happening here? Okay, I see. I feel like, listen, Nine of Cups, exactly. Like, the reason why the previous messages haven't come through for us is because you have much more options, many more options than you realize, okay? Like, for a lot of you, there might be this understanding, current understanding that like you have the world in your hands, okay? For some of you, you feel like you don't want it. You don't want this reality thing, this like the way this is, like the system, the fact that you can't fly yet or something like that, shit like that. For some of you, you're holding the world in your hand and you're kind of like, I want to drop this completely, or I want to, or I need to like keep playing the game, okay? You feel like you might have two options here to kind of completely leave or continue playing, okay? And again, like, I feel like this is in regards to this reality, this is in regards to maybe your job. I feel like on a higher level of consciousness, it's about the game of life, okay? Not that you want to die, but like you have a choice of whether you want to like ascend beyond this or past this or not, or something like that, okay? But I'm here to tell you, my lovely little scrumptious thing, I don't know what that's about. I want to tell you that you have, like, at the very least, actually seven options. Because the Nine of Cups is here as well, and the Hermit, there is some kind of like multi-dimensional aspect to you, obviously, to your life, to the choices you make, blah blah blah. The other five options that you have are actually options that like would, at your current mental level, let's say, seem incomprehensible because it is multidimensional. Now, I feel like you're already at a very high level spiritually, okay? Like, especially because the Hermit is here with the King of Swords. You're already very much aware, very much conscious. Like, I feel like your magical practice or your conscious practice is very powerful. Reality bends. You already have the world in your hands, okay? However, there is so much more that you are about to discover that's gonna make you happy you didn't throw the world away. It's gonna make you happy you didn't throw the Matrix away. I'm not saying like it's not like one of those posts of like what's coming in 1 year is gonna make you happy that you didn't give up. It's nothing like that at all, because this is not about giving up. This is about you wanting to play or not. Okay. And again, I feel like you think your only options are either playing or not playing, but you have five other options that you can't even see right now. Like, I like make it make sense. I can't, because this is again multidimensional consciousness. Yeah, I feel like in the next coming months, I feel like maybe perhaps like in the next 9 months, the other five options at the very least are gonna reveal themselves to you, or itself to you, and you're gonna have a much bigger comprehension that's gonna allow you to make a much better choice for your enjoyment. let's say, because it's not about survival, it's not about reaching something, it's literally now just about you enjoying yourself, enjoying being a god, enjoying existence itself, outside of time, outside of space, blah 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 blah. That also being said, like I just mentioned, the outside of time, outside of space thing, that is exactly why you can't see the other five options now, because you're still thinking or perceiving something in a very binary way, okay? In a very mortal way. A certain part of your mind has not fully reached your godhood level yet, and that is why you're viewing it this way. It's either black or white or something like that, but it really isn't. Like, it's not even just gray. There's like a whole spectrum of colors in between that, like, you would have never thought of or something. By the way, I'm not even gonna mention that. That's gonna seem a little bit too like, you know. I wanted to like mention a prediction of mine that came through. Maybe that's just confirmation for you. Like maybe you're about to see what I'm saying is already unfolding, or like you're just like gonna get a lot of like confirmation, okay, from the matrix, from the world itself, that what I'm saying currently is true, okay? Yes, the matrix might be a little bit frightened of you because like it doesn't want to die, obviously it doesn't want to be forgotten or whatever, but again, it's not about fear or love or anything. That like there's a whole multi-dimensional aspect here that like I can't even completely, let me reach that there, that I can't even completely express to you currently, okay? These are options that you never thought possible, okay? That like, I don't know, like it like, even if I told you what the options were right now, it just wouldn't make sense to you, okay? It would not make sense. So there is something very profound happening, especially in the next 9 months for you, okay? Something extremely profound. Like, I always say this, like it's so profound and this is big, but it is, because it just never ends, right? Like every small moment, even every next small moment to you seems grander and grander, right? So if reality isn't doing what you're wanting it to right now, if like, I don't know, like if you feel like you only have a choice between playing and not playing, anything like that, the reason for that is because your future self, your highest self already knows about these five options. You understand? Like you are already multidimensional. Like you're just now catching up or some shit, right? So yeah, I don't know what else to say here, quite honestly. Just know that the reason you're not able to make a choice right now is because you don't have all the options yet. You think you have this like options, but there are options that like seems illogical, or it seems like nonsensical, okay, that like are about to be proven, that are about to be given to you, okay? And don't take the whole 9 months thing quite as literal or anything. First of all, if you're in an energy of like 9 months, that's too long. Like you obviously still have some work to do with this consciousness, because you should be outside of time right now, okay? You should be, you understand? But also, depending on your consciousness, your choices, your whatever, Queen of Swords, the Ace of Swords, depending on your consciousness, this can happen now. This can happen right fucking now. You understand? So I don't feel like this is like a prediction or anything. This is just like a confirmation again, like to say like the only reason you can't make a choice right now is because you don't have all the options yet. Okay, so it's not about your ability. It's about your alignment, let's say. Okay, but like something very big is about to be happening. A lot of big things are about to be happening over the next 9 months. I feel like a god initiation every month or something like that. Okay, for some of you even every week or every day, but let's take it like 1 month at a time, because god damn, because this is gonna be like a roller coaster, like the best kind. Like you're gonna wow. Okay, this is gonna be very good for you. You would have made a choice from a very like three-dimensional, like very vapid, very plain space anyway, okay? Because you think this is where the choice is, but really, um, I feel like I'm not driving the energy home completely, but it's because I can't. because it is so like out there, okay? Again, because the other 5 options are not even gonna make sense if I told them to you now, because I don't even fucking know. Like, but just know that not only is everything really really good or some shit like that, but also like it gets better. I don't know. Like I can't really do this energy justice. Like truly, just know that like your mind is going to be blown, okay? Or your mind is being blown right now, and the next 9 months is just gonna be you like integrating the mind blowness. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. That was your reading. Thank you for liking, subscribing, donating, doing the things. Checkle. I will see you again for another reading tomorrow or the day after or whenever.